lifting all that weight makes me feel just great. Now's the time I find, got blue ribbon on my mind. Yeah, I came in first, worked up a great big thirst, wanna just unwind, got blue ribbon on my mind. I've got Pabst Blue Ribbon on my mind. More and more lately I find I've got a taste for living. I'm thinking cold blue ribbon. I've got Pabst Blue Ribbon on my
doing this. Next week we are going to try to do a makeup race. Stay posted to the Facebook page. We are going to post it Wednesday night, whether or not we can. The snow coming tonight, tomorrow. We'll see how heavy it is. We'll see how the track is, and we'll make that call on Wednesday. As you see, we moved the racetrack this week. Back in Mermaid Island Bay, we had a couple complaints. So instead of having to deal with that, we just moved it. So today, if you're not on the racetrack, keep it all first gear, nice and calm. Don't be tearing up and down the road. We don't need any more publicity than we already have. Second, $2,200 added today to every money class except the trophy classes, which is B and C. So that's $2,200. I believe it figured out around $17 per entry per class. So there is some money out there. So I get it, guys. There's extra money. You're gonna race a little harder, but let's be smart. Let's be clean.
Ey, Macano, mira quién vaya, Juliana, loco. Esa misma es Nico King, esa es la amiga de Joshua y de Mo. No me metan en su bochiche. Esa es la amiga de Diloba que anda jugando. Loco, esa ya anda con Gray con Nayo. This is Aldora. Que sin vergüenza es Juliana. Tiene un problema, es adicta a la banana. Golosa. Sin vergüenza. A ella le gusta bananilla, a ella le gusta bananilla, el tamaño de un maní, en la medida de King Kong. ¡De todos los tamaños! A ella le gusta bananilla, a ella le gusta bananilla, en la banana split, que ella se lo come todo. ¡Ahí vamos aquí! Ella solo quiere banana, se sienta y la pela y se la come con ganas. Banana split, solo quiere banana, se sienta y la pela y se la come con ganas. Ella le gusta la banana.
What is your state of mind tonight? Well, do a little hardcore country for you.